In today's video, we are going to learn how to replace a deleted door schedule or window schedule in ARCHICAD. So let's get started. So in case you delete any of these schedules, what you do, you right click on one of them, click on new schedule. You can fill in any ID that you prefer. Then you can type in the name of the schedule, maybe door schedule, and click OK. Make sure it is elements. Then you click OK. So where your element tool is selected, go to value, under value, select windows or doors, any that you want to replace. Now here we want to replace doors. And you click on add fields at the bottom. Go to windows. You can add in any of the elements that you want in the door schedule tabulation. So under windows and doors, you can add in any of, you look for what you want to add in from here. And you can also go to general and select whatever you want to add in, maybe element ID or door marker. After that, you can add in some other elements from the windows door schedule. So yeah, what should we look at? It has a lot of stuff, so you have to be keen as you're looking for elements. If you don't see any, you can still go back to the general parameters. Maybe width and height, you can add that. Yes. Then which other one? Yeah, let's first go back to general parameters. Yeah, what should we add? Maybe the 3D view. You can either select the front or back and add. Then we also need the 2D view. You can select that and add. Then which other one do we need? Which other one? Be keen as you're looking for these things. Very many. You can add in the quantity. Yes. Then we can add in custom texts where we shall fill in the description, location, maybe ironmongery. When you feel you're done, you click OK. You can also arrange them. Just click on the left icons and drag. Click, hold and drag in the order that you prefer. Yeah, if you feel you're okay, you click OK. So after clicking OK, select that element that you created. So our schedule will be messy. We have to organize it. Just use the tablet on your left. Then you can adjust the cell sizes using the ruler on the left and top. Yeah, so you can keep adjusting, or you can click in some of them and use a text wrap. If you don't want to adjust manually, click and use text wrap, click and use text wrap. Yes. So since I had my descriptions already done, so it this schedule has done it automatically. I had these schedules already, text already filled in, so it has done them automatically. So you can keep adjusting the cell sizes. Yes. Adjust 3D preview text size. You can add in the auto dimensions. You can align. You can change font. So all those things, I think you will follow one of my tutorials about door and window schedule, or missing door schedule. It has more information about organization of these cells and information in the cells. So you'll have to go back there and see. So here what I'm doing is just editing the information in the cells so that it's at the required standard and presentable enough. Yeah, so you can change that font to Times New Roman. There are some headings, maybe you want them bold. Yes, you might want to increase the size of the 2D plan preview and 3D view so that they fit in the cells properly. Yeah. I think there we are not bad off. So we have this the last I think we need to increase the cells for headings. Yes. Then you might want to make some headings uppercase. Might want to left align them, bold in them. Yes. Then you might want to make all the headings bold. Make sure they fit in the cell. Make them bold. Left align them, make them bold, left align. If it is lowercase, you can rewrite it, make it uppercase, left align and make it bold. So these headings are editable. You can edit them if you wish so. Yeah. Let's make sure all your headings are left aligned. Here we have a door marker. The 2D plan preview. So we have here repeated doors, so you can merge identical items. Yeah, hope you can see that if that box is not checked, all those will be displayed, so you can merge identical items. Yes, hope you see that now our table is a little bit smaller. We can remove these empty doors. Just copy the element ID. Copy this element ID. Yes, let's go back to settings. We shall add a criteria. The criteria, we add an element type. Here we can't select an ID, I think. We can't select an ID from here. Even if we go to more, we cannot select an ID. So I want, let's first remove this. First go back and look for ID because that's what we want to use to eliminate. Look for element ID, add. So under criteria we put is not inclusive. Then under value type in that name. You click OK, so that though layer will not be included in our table. Hope you can see that. Yes. So I think now things that you need to work on. Yeah, can adjust it. Yes, adjust it here and there. Yeah, so under plan view you can add wall extensions on the sides of openings. Yes, let's use the fill tool. Make sure its thickness is 200 millimeters. So you can just type in the figures if you wish so. Yes. Let's just copy and drag this on the left. Ctrl Shift D. When you're OK, click OK. It will be reflected in our table. Let's just copy this field and use it in this other door. Just Ctrl V to paste, drag it in position, Ctrl D, Ctrl Shift D to drag a copy on the left. Click OK to be reflected. Also do the same for door 3. Ctrl V to paste, drag to position, Ctrl D, then Ctrl Shift D to drag a copy on the left. Yes, click OK. Do the same for door 4. Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl D to drag in position, Ctrl Shift D to drag a copy. If you're dragging a copy, your cursor will have a plus sign. Yes, click OK. Hope now our schedule is almost clear. Maybe we can adjust this cell for description. I see our information is a little bit staggered. Yes, so we can use the ruler on the left to reduce maybe the size of that cell. Yes, so I think we are almost there. We are almost there. We are there. Yes. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all. So if at all you lost your door schedule or you deleted it unknowingly, that's how you are supposed to replace it. Have a blessed day.